There's a length L, radius R. Okay, fine. This much is this. So let me call this distance as say like a A. I will raise the temperature at higher temperature. What do you expect L, R, and A? Anybody wants to reply? You can give me answer. All of you getting the whole idea?
Sir, whole will decrease, sir.
All will decrease. Okay, fine. Yeah. Next A. L will increase, no doubt.
L will increase, sir.
L will increase, R will decrease. What about A?
A will increase, sir.
Okay, fine. Yeah. Some good answer. Let's see anybody. Any other answers? Let me wait. Okay, somebody give answer in the chat box. Let me check it. L increases, A increases. What about R? R will also increase. What is the basic definition? The distance between any 2 points will increase. Will I agree? The distance between R will also increase. The distance between any 2 points will increase. So as I rise the temperature, I have diagrams like this. So this will be R dash, L dash, L dash, R dash, A dash. R dash greater than R, L dash greater than L, A dash greater. The distance between any 2 points should increase. So whose help you have to take it? Actually, you have to take help of this one. So let's take help of this PQ. So what should happen to P dash PQ? PQ length should also increase, no? Will I agree? Simple logic. Distance between any 2 points will increase. That's what. When thermal expansion occurs, what will happen? Distance between two items will increase. So distance between any 2 points and an object must increase here. So therefore, PQ is A will also increase. So again, if you take this one, you better analyze like this. Fine. So we have to start with not looking at diagram. Just put some symbols. P2, P3. So therefore, P1 dash, P2 dash should be greater than P1, P2. P1 dash, P3 dash should be greater than P1, P3. Even P2 dash, P3 dash, they should also increase. Distance between any 2 points must increase here. So therefore, I'm don't think that it will expand here. No, if you look at P dash, Q dash, these are the 2 points on object. So the distance that increase. So therefore, the size of 4 increases. So therefore, as temperature increases, so what is the conclusion? As temperature increases, L increases, R increases, A will also increase. Uh, will there be displacement of S along y-axis? No, along x-axis it will be there. No, along y-axis this will not have any displacement. What about the center O? Will it have any displacement? Now O will be fixed there only. O will not undergo displacement. O will be there only. Remaining all. What about S dash? S will shift. No, along y-axis it will not shift. Along x-axis it will shift. Able to understand this one? So P2 got shifted. You also P3 got shifted. But what will happen to this particular S? S will not shift. So what about Q? Q will shift along x-axis, not along y-axis. So if you write here one more point here, so this Q dash or select some Q1 something, it will shift along y-axis, but not along x-axis. So I think let me introduce all other things. And now come for this. What about Q will shift along x-axis and will not shift along y-axis. What about M? Will shift along y-axis and will not shift along x-axis. What about P1? O what happened will not shift along x or along y-axis. I think we have to make good observation of things here. Nothing big is there. What about will not shift? Will not have shift in any direction. Will not shift in any direction. What about P1? Point P1, it will shift along x and also along y. So P1, P2, P3, will shift along x, y axis, x and y axis. Getting the idea? I think these are some very small basic things which we are going to take help of to find out that one. Not only one. Okay, even with two holes also we can discuss this particular problem. Let me go for one more. Definitely you can see very good logical questions they may frame here. Some other shape. Now I'll write the temperature. So what will happen to these are the holes. Hole one, hole two. There's a plate, a square plate. What will happen to the radius of the hole will increase. The radius of this will increase. So I think all parameters that distribute any 2 points will increase here. So if we take the radius of hole r, side length of this, let it be L. This is a square plate, side length will be capital L. I'll write the temperature, T1 degrees Celsius. Now at T2 degrees Celsius. R, small l, capital L, all are going to increase. R dash, L dash. Okay, listen. Okay, we'll go for the few more applications. We'll do it. Okay, let me start with the with buoyancy. I'll do it, or simple pendulum will take it. No, you know.